to instill leadership qualities in our children. Leadership isn't about giving orders, it's about making decisions, taking responsibility, and inspiring actions. But how do we really teach this to our children? Today, we will explore together 5 powerful ways to instill leadership qualities in our children through real life actions, not just words. Number 1, encourage decision making. Leadership starts with decisions. But how do we let our children make choices? Instead of deciding everything for them, start small. Ask them, Amana, what would you like to wear today? Or Arjun, which book should we read tonight? These tiny decisions build confidence in our children and their ability to think independently. Let me give you a pro tip. If they make mistakes, let them learn. A leader is someone who has failed many times but does not give up. Failure is the greatest learning step. Number 2, teach responsibility through actions. Leadership is about responsibility. If kids don't learn to own their actions, how can they lead others? Give them age appropriate responsibilities like watering the plants, taking care of the pets, or managing their own pocket money. This is what I do with my twin daughters who are 14. Let them see the impact of their actions. And for example, if they forget to water a plant, let them see it wilt. Then instead of scolding them or judging them, ask them, what can we do to fix this together? Leadership is about solving problems, not about avoiding them. Number 3, encourage teamwork and communication. Great leaders work with people, not just above them. Encourage teamwork through group activities like sports, board games, or even household chores. The key is to teach them how to listen, express their ideas, and collaborate. Let me give you an activity idea. Next time your kids argue over a game, don't step in immediately. Let them figure out a solution. Teach them to negotiate, compromise, and find a win-win balance. Number 4, lead by example. Kids learn more from what we do rather than what we say. If you want them to be responsible, let them see you take responsibility first. If you want them to be kind leaders, show them kindness in action. Help a neighbor, be polite to a service staff, or admit when you are wrong. The golden rule is be the leader that you want them to become. Number 5, encourage a growth mindset. Leaders don't fear failure, they learn from it. Teach your kids that setbacks are a part of life. When they struggle, remind them, you're not bad at this, you're just learning and growing. This mindset builds resilience. It's really the heart of great leadership. For inspiration, do you know Thomas Edison failed 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb? Imagine if he had given up. Every failure is a step towards success. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's a part of success. And leadership is not about age, it's about your mindset. Start young, start nurturing your children's confidence, and watch them grow into future leaders. Comment below what's one leadership quality you'd love to see in your child today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more parenting insights. We at Happiness is Love truly believe that together we are stronger, together we are better, together we are building a better future for our children. Stay tuned for more.